Hello, everyone, and welcome to what I hope is the most exciting panel on machine learning that you're going to be attending this week. And if we're really lucky and can exceed your expectations, maybe this will even be the best machine learning focused panel you've ever attended, at least over Zoom. So with that, I'm Chris Rommel. I'm Executive Vice President at VDC Research. I focus on all things IoT and embedded technology, and that includes focusing on next generation software development trends and challenges. And for today, I'm going to serve as your moderator, and we're going to be focusing on one of those things that I think is a big opportunity, but also challenge facing the embedded industry at large. And that's the role of machine learning and how different levels of expertise and history in the space can influence how your organization can achieve some of your goals in that arena. And I'm excited to share the stage today with three really smart guys that I've a chance to spend some time with recently. The first is Shelby. He's a co-founder and CEO of Edge Impulse, and he and his colleagues are focused on trying to enable the ultimate developer experience for machine learning with a focus specifically on embedded devices for sensors, audio and computer vision, and really finding ways to scale that development and vision. Jason Levine is a senior principal architect at Keurig Dr. Pepper, and he's responsible for enabling new technologies and bringing advanced development projects to mass production there. And last but not least is Rob Oshana, who is Vice President of Software R&D for the Edge Processing business at NXP. And as you all know, machine learning is making it possible to give machine capabilities that were unthinkable just a few years ago. But the techniques for implementing, deploying, and maintaining ML algorithms and software in products now is radically different from what some of those tried and true development techniques that systems designers and embedded engineers have been using for decades. So ultimately, as I think about it, the successful adoption of machine learning requires a different way about thinking about algorithms, data, and software, and can require a different set of skills to be successful, both in terms of understanding the lay of the land and how to optimize machine learning for the application types of products you're developing, but also trying to find ways to enable the rank and file of your engineering organization to help advance to this next level of application development beyond something that is held up on a pedestal and only addressable by PhDs. So over the course of today's conversation, we're going to dig into this from a few different angles. And again, based on the different perspectives we have at the table for this panel, I think we'll have a really great dialogue. And once we're through some of these topics and questions that I've prepared for the panelists, I will then give you all a chance to ask some questions at the end. So thanks, and let's get ready for a good time. I'll pose the first question to Zach. And you and I have had a number of conversations over the years about how experience and backgrounds and different types of development can influence outlooks and what types of technologies can be used at scale or really help the industry evolve. And based on your experience working in the embedded industry in particular, how do you think we can get beyond what is clearly a big knowledge gap in terms of where a lot of the machine learning work has been done to date and what really might need to happen to move it forward?